A Day with Leo the Dog. In this story, we're going to learn 54 awesome new words. We'll also find out how to use place prepositions in fun sentences. Ready to roll? Let's go. Leo is a small dog. He is happy. He lives in a big house. In the morning, Leo jumps on the bed. He sees a cat in front of the window. He starts to bark. The cat runs away. Leo smiles. Then, Leo crawls under the short table. He finds a ball near the chair. He runs through the hall with the ball. He is fast and funny. He jumps over the pillow. He stops. He drinks water next to the fridge. Outside, the wind blows. A leaf flies above Leo's head. He laughs and runs after the leaf. He jumps. He falls. He is okay. He giggles. He hides among the big flowers. He sees a butterfly. The butterfly flies over Leo. He whispers, "Come here, butterfly!" Leo tries to jump, but the butterfly is too fast. Later, Leo walks in the garden. Leo crawls below the bench. He is tired. At night, Leo sleeps on the sofa. Leo loves his busy day. Good night, Leo.